Crazy Rebecca, Dances with Pitbulls here. I don't know where my sign is right now, or I do know where it is, and I'm too lazy to reach up there and get it. So, notice anything different about my hands? I mean, besides the fact that I cut my nails all off and they're not even that dirty now? Yes, I made these. Just last week I did. I wish I had some of them cheapo one-size-fits-all gloves dug out so I could put them on and show you how cool they look with those. This is number 41 in my 100 things challenge. That's my own sign language. I like to make things up. Anyway, this pattern is called Swirling Gauntlets. I got it off of Ravelry. If you would like to be my friend on Ravelry, I am Crazy Rebecca, and I hardly ever get on there because I just don't have time. But I'm in that international Moleskine exchange there, so I got to check in now and then. I got so many patterns, I don't know what to do. So, let us write this down quickly. Oh, I already did. Green wool, focus. Swirling gauntlets, and notice the last two words, for Lynn. So Lynn, you need to send me some contact information so I can get these to you. You know who you are, yes. Okay. Onward and upward. This thing I'm making now, I don't know what it is. Obviously, it's a box. Light bulbs came in it. The curly light bulbs, CFLs. And I paper mache'd over them with my paper towels and some glue. I think I learned it from Eileen McGinnis. And let me show you where I'm going with this. I went button crazy. And I got two of them. And I want to make a third one. So, you can see I already started with the stinky black gesso. So, is it hot where you live? It's hot where I live. I had to be outside today for a little bit. And it was hot. I'm sick of it. And I'm ready for snow again. There, I said it. Okay, you can do 3 sides at a time on this. And I'll let this dry, and I will do the other 3 sides, and I will be back. So while we're waiting on that paint to dry, I thought I would show you my plants out here. Cactus, and this came from my good friend Barb Land, who has been deceased for a couple years now. I miss her so much. This aloe plant's from my daughter. This thing, okay, I don't know if you can get up there and see if it'll focus. See all those little thingies? Those are baby plants. This is called a mother of thousands because it reproduces that way. They're from Madagascar. I looked it up on the interwebs. Look at this, my morning glory strangling my mother of thousands. Get off there. Go this way. Okay, this is a different kind. This is in a dinosaur. So I like him a lot. Coleus. That's over a year old because I kept that in the house over winter. I just planted these snapdragons today. And I got 2 pots full of those. This is a New Guinea impatient I just got. It has a beautiful red flower, but I love the colors on it. Here's a big old bowl of hens and chicks from my friend Nina. Uh-oh, we need to hang this up. Okay, that's how I water it. I put it in there. In that water. Rainwater. Okay. Ugh. Too heavy. Okay, gotta gather my strength and up you go. Got birds in it. I need birds. Lynn, I need birds. Like see my bird? If you want to trade me something, I mean beside the Tesla stuff, birds would be good. Okay, back down. Then the morning glories. And this is my cucumbers. And I'm going to train them to go up this thing and wherever. Succulents. This was a mix, and those are marigolds, and I do not know what that is. But some other succulents. This cute thing, I got it today from Foster's Produce. It's Thai basil. And it's in a colander. More. That's another type of that mother of thousands. And I planted this little dish garden today. This is broken at the bottom. That's why it's in there. So there's the snapdragons again. And my friend Nina gave me that coneflower succulents. That's Swiss chard, which it's not, I don't know if that's insect damage or hail damage because we had the hailstorm. So, get rid of those. Should have done this days ago. This is rosemary. Oh, I wish you had smell-o-vision. Oh, it smells so good. This is Monarda, aka bee balm. Same plant, look. A dark and a light. So I think that's cool. Tomatoes. There. Now that looks like a pear tomato. I am flummoxed about this because we did not order any pear tomatoes. So what's the deal, man? These marigolds are volunteers from last year. Now these are cherry tomatoes that I do not know if they're going to be red or yellow. These are cannas, and they came back because we had such a mild winter. And these tomatoes here are supposed to get really, really big. It's called Big Zack. So, that's my side garden. I ain't gonna take you around front. I'll take you around front another day. Oh, we got zinnias that have not bloomed yet. Oh, and my other, they're all just succulents. And here's those pans that I have the lids for that I drilled holes in them. That's getting ready to bloom. That's a bachelor button back there. The critters were eating my flowers. How dare they? I got cannas in there, and I don't know, I might plant some beans in there or something. And I come outside and, oh, it's the chief. It's my coffee from this morning. I come outside and my nose starts running really bad. It's the pollen. High pollen count. Okay, I want to fix this, I guess. Okay, I'll just move that and then I'll take this back around. I have purple morning glories and a blue morning glory, so I'm excited for a mix. Okay, and it's hot out here and it's muggy. So, let's go see if the paint's dry. Okay, so the next thing you gotta do is grab some buttons. Now I gotta tell you a story about this button box. Let me grab the lid. That will help enhance the story. Okay, you can see how old this is. This button box has been in my family for a long time, and a lot of these buttons were original to this button box, but I've thrown stuff in there too. I mean, for 30 years, and I've been sorting them out, and I'm trying to grab the ones like this. I got a shadow. I still have a shadow, but okay, so I like these. But then if I find one, let me find one right here. Nope, that ain't it. Of course, I see a million of them until I go to look for one. This one? Okay. This is Mother of Pearl. I'll get a better one. Come on, you. It wants to focus below. So I save those. The ones I know are really old or really cool, I have a special spot for those. And then, because I'm not using this kind, the shank buttons, I've been putting those in like that. And I have a box for those. And also in here, this is hilarious, if I can find a whole piece of it. I see a broken piece. There it is. It's cat food. It's got to be at least 10 years old. I don't know why I'm still leaving it in there. But this is all the non-button stuff that was in there. You got, what is that? I don't know, but this is cool. It is a cheese grater, but it's like a tie tack. what in the world? How did that get in there? A marble, beads, safety pins, broken chain. So this will become something. This is from a trip to Florida my mom and dad took when I was 4 years old. And I'm 50 something. 50. I'm going to be 58. So that's 54 years ago they brought that. And I know because it was in this button box. So my kids don't want this. So I'll pick stuff out like that. I know it's probably part of a button, but it still goes over there. Okay, I digress. I'm going to put... Hey, I'll put the cat food in with the stuff. Anyway, so you need a bunch. You need a bunch. That's mother of pearl, because look at the back. It's got the back of the... It's got the shell on it. Okay, so that goes over here. Okay. So I have this many. And was doing them one at a time, and then I figured out a better way. I'll put the glue on. Oh, somebody's coming in. Oh yeah, where was I? I decided to do it this way. Okay, that's ugly. Situation normal. Don't think about it, just do it. Grab and glue, people, grab and glue. Oops. That still has thread in it. I reject thee. One more. Just one more. Okay. So, this will look better once I get it all done. I promise to think it out more. But you have to let it dry before you turn it or whatever. So, it's going to take a while. But when I get it done, I will somehow artfully arrange all of them so we can decide the next what we're going to do with them, because I was thinking about, okay, let me grab it. You know how I did the picture for Mr. Victor and then I did this one where you paint everything black, then you highlight it? I don't know if I want to do that. So let's talk about it. When I get it done, we'll talk about it. And then If we decide to do it, we can do it at a later date. But for now, I think I'm done. So I'm going to go ahead and write it down because why not? Number 42. Hold on. Ugh. Number 42. Okay, art. They're art boxes. I don't know what else to call them. Art boxes with buttons. 3 of them. Okay. We're moving right along. And I want to thank you for watching. And please subscribe. I need friends to share my cool stuff from my 100 Things Challenge. Please like and comment. And if you remember, practice sharing because it could get you extra entries into the giveaway. Which only 7 more videos till the giveaway. No, it could be less than that because what if I do 2 things at the same video? You know I am capable of that. So we'll see. I love ya. Bye.